Across to Abhishek Jagini now. The situation is quite worrying in the country. There is no sign, absolutely no sign of the curve flattening. How worrying is that? And also, if I can talk about the vaccine here, how is India faring when it comes to coming up with a vaccine? What is the position that the country is in at this point in time? And also, if a vaccine comes in, say, 2 to 3 months' time, as we've been seeing, as we've been reading all those reports as well, don't you think it's a long journey, because it's going to trickle down to the masses quite late? First, it's going to be the defense, then the frontline warriors, then the masses. It's going to be a long journey when the vaccine really comes to the masses in such testing circumstances.
I have great confidence on our scientists as well as our industry leaders from the pharmacy sector. The enthusiasm with which and the interest with which we are able to develop solutions at no cost compared to other countries, I hope very positively that a solution is not very far as per the news available in public domain. Like our own vaccine from Hyderabad, from Covaxil, which is in phase 1 trials of post-clinical trials in human trials, and the Oxford vaccine has applied for the phase 3 trials. So whenever it is ready, I'm sure this will be a matter which will be under Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and I'm sure about his leadership that he has his priorities and he's very focused on this, and there would be a good way of disseminating this and distributing this vaccine across the country. But meanwhile, we need to keep our fingers crossed and keep this in our prayers. At the same time, encourage our scientist community to work on this. And it's a good sign that many citizens have registered. In fact, surplus citizens have registered for volunteering for the trial tests. This is a collective thing that we need to actually exhibit, and that is what we are doing as a nation and society.